Um, there was a previous market structure shift before price rejection here and came back to come and retest the fair value gap that it created here. So now it has bounced on this support and is trying to push back up to this high resistance here, this demand zone. But I don't know, this moment it doesn't look enough, and it's obviously looking like as if it's going to come back from another fair value gap. But me, on the contrary, I would actually like to sell, sorry, buy on this kind of setup. But if you look at the lower time frame, because the overview is like 4 hours, so let's look at the lower time frame of maybe like 1 hour or so. At this place now, I'm kind of like in between. At this place now, it's kind of like a gamble to trying to make a decision. Now, down, it's like a confirmed uptrend now to that demand zone, but we're still keeping in mind of fair value gap, yeah, the market mitigation, blah blah blah. So at this point now, our entry now is not really confirmed, and you cannot really place an entry that by yourself based on probability. So as you can see, the market is consolidating around this area from this low to this high. So at this point, what I would do is when price actually break above this high and closes on that candle, like I usually say, market is usually probability. So when certain conditions are met, that's when can I make a decision. Or if price breaks below this, it will now come back to take all this fair value gap. But if it doesn't break and it goes above here, then to aim for this block, most likely where this block came from. If the buying pressure is still high, then to enter into this liquidity sweep here, this previous liquidity sweep here, this consolidation, to enter this, which is the other block, to enter here and try to take others and probably form market noise up down up down up down before it now start coming back to take this fair value gap. You get it? Price always come back to the fair value gap, but there are certain situations where it might not, when probably political events or news trading will affect it, that yes, it will go so high. Just take for instance now this one, when price pumped up from here, it didn't come back, though it's not really fair enough. But now to get the perfect entry now, going to 15 minutes time frame now, as you can see now, everything is just here. As you can see, from this low here to this side. Now if I want to if I want to make any entry, say I want to enter a trade by force, the market is on pause now, and you want to enter it, like take a trade now currently, you can actually place a buy and put your stop loss at this candle wick here, this particular one. Because if price goes down, it will definitely come here. If it doesn't break here, to go back up. But if it breaks here and close another candle, then come back to your stop loss and stop your. But in order to stop yourself out, just don't even enter at all. You can't really tell that the price will come here or to go up, and it can actually come here and go back up and continue the consolidation. So it's until it breaks out, that is when you should actually take your decision. As at now, or oblivious of what to do. So probably what you can do, probably set a buy order here. You can actually see even set a buy order here, and it can come up to this high here and still come back again. So until there's a breakout, that's when I can do something for now.
Your place be going up.